Hi, so welcome to another video. Today I am having my New Year party in my company. They are celebrating the Chinese New Year more than the normal New Year, normal or what you call the January 1st New Year. So I'm already late, so let's get going. Now it is the next day. Yesterday was the New Year party I mentioned, but yesterday after finishing the party it was so late I couldn't record anything, and today let's talk about it, but more on that later. Today I bought something to upgrade my setup because I think this voice what you hear is not actually clear, and also I don't like my voice which is heard from the videos. I don't know whether it will change, but let's give it a try. So I bought this DJI Mic Mini. I was thinking of buying this mic only, but later I read, and if I connect that only for my phone which is currently recording, the connection will not be so good. So I bought the full set with the transmitter and everything is included. So I think this will be a very good upgrade and sort of an investment to my channel. So let's do the unboxing and see. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. So this is the package and everything should be included in this one. Let's get into it. We have stickers also. Okay, this is the main package. Oh, there is a nice pouch also. Okay. Oh, this is the what you call diffuser, or that they call dead cat. And we have the cable, and this is the main item. Nice pouch actually. Ooh. It's like buying a set of new gadgets. This is but we want this one. We can clip it, and there is a magnet. Okay, this is the magnet. Okay. Ooh, that is pretty strong. Okay, so it includes 2 of these mics, so it will be useful if you are including someone else also, and if you are planning on doing a podcast kind of thing. And this was the most important one. If you're using another camera or an iPhone other than a DJI product, this is necessary for you to get a clear input. So I think now both mics are connected, but let's see what else we have. Okay. And the instructions: 1 off, 2 seconds on off, 1 noise reduction, and pairing mode. Next, let's check this connecting to the iPhone. What sort of improvement it will give? Oh, I think this is the battery level. Okay, let's see. So this is all the items which is included. Let's get back to the usual view. Okay, I think the mic is connected. Let's see whether there is any difference in the audio, because when I did some research, they said the normal built-in camera app will not support this mic, so I will have to use some other free app, or I think there is a DJI app, I'm not sure. So this is a testing video. Let's see. Okay, so it has worked. I think now also it is working. Now the voice is so much clear, I think, but I think I will have to add this one also. Oh, there are 4 of these different kind of. This is the most. Okay, let's try this. I attached the this diffuser. I attached the windscreen. That is the name given for this, but I think I have seen in videos they call it the dead cat because it looks like a furry cat. I think now that wind noises and small noises should be cancelled out. Let's see while editing. So that's it about the mic. I should first check how the audio sounds and do any changes if needed. So let's continue the talk after that. So let's talk about the company event I had yesterday. It is called the New Year Party, or in Japanese you call it Shinnenkai. And in Japanese culture, in this Japanese office corporate culture, they have separate, they have different kind of parties, but everything is called nomikai. Somehow that nomikai means drinking party, but this kind of Shinnenkai, that kind of things. Now it actually means like a gathering, but still the name kai comes with the meeting kind of meaning. So in Japan there are several these kind of parties. So mainly it is Bonenkai. Bonenkai will be the biggest. Companies will hold it to like thank the employees and like give a full summary of what they have done, and some companies they even present the profit and any sales they have done, that kind of things also. So Bonenkai is the year-end party. That is like, as I said, that is like to celebrate what happened in the year. And then as soon as it is over, it becomes the new year. Then the New Year party comes, which is called Shinnenkai. Same environment in the party, but more focused on things like motivating the employees and saying we should go for this kind of target and like that. And there are frequent nomikais. They call it nomikai, but that doesn't involve the whole company. It will involve only a part of the company, or mostly it will be your team with the team leader or project manager, that kind of thing. And yeah, nomikai is a frequent one, and it will not big. Sometimes you will have to contribute to the party also. And Shinnenkai, Bonenkai is one of the biggest. If there are any other parties that I have missed out in the biggest parties, please comment. And then if you're a permanent employee in a company, when they recruit new employees, there is another kind of party called Kangekai. I have not participated in a Kangekai, so I don't know the exact name. So Kangekai and then Sobetsukai. Whenever a group or even an individual employee leaves, they have the Sobetsukai. Sobetsukai means farewell party. And when you complete a project, they have something called Uchiage, which means after project party. These kind of parties are the more frequent ones, which I mentioned now. So if you are also working in Japan, I think you have experienced this one, and if you have experienced something other than this, don't forget to leave a comment, mention the party. So the party I attended yesterday was Shinnenkai, and Shinnenkai, this time the Bonenkai didn't happen because till around December most companies cancel these events because of the influenza. Our company also didn't have that one, so this time they celebrated the new year. It depends on the company actually. If it is more Japan focused, then it will be a little formal event, I think. So if you have foreigners in your company, then now it is a little bit casual, I think, than early days. So this was to have fun, do something other than work kind of situation. So as you all might have seen in the previous clips, this time it was a karaoke kind of gathering. It was fun, but I couldn't record anything. It was too loud to record anything. So if you have any questions regarding this working culture, parties and everything, leave a comment. I will reply. And if anyone is watching who has this experience, please don't hesitate to answer any questions. So that is what happened. I have a new mic. Hope the audio quality is good. I don't want to record this again. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment, like this video, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.